Hello and welcome to Orin-X. In this video we will talk about the advanced concepts in Python, including decorators, generators, and context managers. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment and subscribe to Orin-X. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell down below for more creative videos. Let's start with decorators. Decorators are a way to modify the behavior of a function or class without changing its source code. They're a powerful tool that can be used to add functionality to existing code. To create a decorator in Python, you'll need to define a function that takes a function as an argument. The function that's passed as an argument is then decorated with the behavior you want to add. For example, let's say we want to add logging to a function. We can create a decorator that adds the logging behavior to any function that's decorated with it. Here's what it would look like. In this example, the log decorator function takes a function as an argument and returns a new function that wraps the original function. The wrapped function logs the name of the function being called and then returns the result of the original function. The @log_decorator syntax above the add function is what applies the decorator to the function. Next up, let's talk about generators. Generators are a way to create an iterable in Python. They allow you to generate a sequence of values one at a time, instead of creating a list in memory that holds all the values. To create a generator in Python, you use the yield keyword instead of return. Here's what a simple generator looks like. In this example, the my_generator function returns a sequence of values one at a time, and the for loop prints each value as it's generated. Generators are useful when you need to work with large amounts of data, as they allow you to process data one chunk at a time instead of loading it all into memory at once. Finally, let's talk about context managers. Context managers are a way to manage resources in Python, such as files or database connections. They allow you to make sure that resources are properly acquired and released, even in the face of exceptions. To create a context manager in Python, you'll need to define a class that implements the __enter__, and __exit__ methods. Here's what a simple context manager looks like. In this example, the myContextManager class implements the __enter__, and __exit__ methods. The __enter__ method is called when you enter the context created by the with statement, and the __exit__ method is called when you leave the context. This allows you to manage resources, such as opening and closing files, in a clean and efficient manner. In conclusion, decorators, generators, and context managers are just a few of the advanced concepts in Python that can help you take your programming skills to the next level. Thanks for joining us for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content on Python programming.